Tastepink, and I'm back to show you all these quick and easy natural hair updos featuring the Hergivenhair Drawstring Ponytail. This is super sleek, it's very stylish, and it's perfect for natural and relaxed textures. I'm going to show you guys different ways to slay hair for any occasion. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, I like to use my DIY whipped shea butter, and it's creamy in its consistency, so I like to saturate the ends of my hair with this. Because I have type 4C hair, the ends can become very dry, so I like to make sure I give them tender, loving care. And next, I'm going in with Super Grow. This is a hair gel that has biotin, placenta extract, and even onion juice. It's super good, so I like to use this as a nourishing scalp conditioner. And then I'm going in with my Got2b Glam Force Sculpting Gel. Now, be careful with this because if you use too much, it can cause the hair to revert. This is just going to give me enough grip so that I can, contain my hair within a ponytail. And I'm using a metal-less scrunchie to secure my hair in place. As an extra precautionary measure, I like to detangle the ends of my hair and then add a little bit more of the whipped shea butter on the ends before I twist the hair down to the very, very ends. Make sure you're twisting all the way down. I like to do the same for the opposite side, and then I'm going to twist them into a bun and pin them in place. Next, I'm going in with the Style Factor Edge Booster, and I like to use this around the perimeter hairline and along the surface of my natural hair. This gives it that more sleek, very shiny, very nourished look, and it just helps tame the flyaways. And then I'm using about 2 Sanex strips to lay the hair in place along with a satin scarf, and I'll let this set for about 30 minutes. And once I come back all glammed, ready for any occasion, get into it, I like to take the front comb on the drawstring ponytail and insert it just in front of my natural hair bun, and then I'm going to take the comb at the back and secure it in place and then tighten the drawstring. You don't want to tighten it too much because then you can force the combs to kind of scrape at your scalp, so definitely be careful. And then I'm going to wrap the drawstring around and secure it in place with a bobby pin. Now this style is super easy. I'm just taking the Hergivenhair headband. It's super cute. I love the print, and I'm just going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. This is super beginner friendly. I'm wrapping it about twice so it sits a little tighter and closer to the base of the ponytail. But get into style number 1. Very simple, very chic, and perfect for every day. Now for style number 2, I'm just going to pull the hair up, and I'm going to gather it at the ends, and then I'm going to take an elastic band, a very small one, and just secure the ends because we're actually going to take the ends of the hair and stuff it into the center of the bun. It's kind of like a stuffed top bun, and then you want to take a hairpin and pin it into place. You're going to fix any of the stragglers or the flyaways just to make sure that it looks neat in its shape. But this is style number 2. This is very bold. This is definitely for the girls who love to make a statement. What do you guys think? And I love the bamboo earrings that I have going on with this. I like to give you guys style inspiration, so I hope you're catching all this tease that I'm giving. And next, I'm using a little bit of Giovanni foaming mousse, and this really helps the curls to pop. What I've noticed is this hair does not need a lot of product, which is perfect. You can also use water, but I'm just wrapping the ends of the hair around itself. This is like an alternative to the previous style. This is a neater bun. It's a little bit more sleek, very corporate, even, perfect for my collegiate scholars. And you just want to pin it down at the base and then serve looks, sis. This is really good for summer transitioning into fall. You can give a little bit of an accent with the flower, or you could switch up your earrings to give it more flair, more character. No matter how you slay this style, it's definitely super cute, and it's like one of my favorites. Moving on to the next style, I took a scarf and I wanted to make sure that it's in the shape of a triangle, and I'm taking the base at the nape and then kind of taking that pointed section and tucking it on top of the bun so it's out of the way. This is similar to how you do many different head wrap styles, and I just want to secure the ends at the front and tuck all of the excess fabric into that area so it looks neat and very tidy. And you know, with a perfect scarf, this can set this look off. This is for days when you're in transition. You don't really want to do too much with your hair, but you have that shape, and it really gives you a lot of, you know, personality when you walk into the room. Again, giving you guys style inspiration, and I think this is really good for, you know, end of summer, even going into fall. It definitely depends on how you pair each look, but I am in love with this, especially with the glasses. It gives that, you know, smart, intelligent queen tease. For the next style, I'm just combing out the ends because I want a little bit more volume. I'm using a shampoo comb. This is a wider tooth comb. What I notice is that this hair, it doesn't shed a great deal, but upon manipulation, after washing, you know, you will notice a little bit of shedding, but nothing to be alarmed about. But I'm just gathering all the hair onto one side of my face, and I'm pinning it in the front and the back, and girl, give it a statement necklace, some statement earrings, and you have your look. And this is very voluminous. This style runs a little bit more wild, but if you want to take it up a notch, I used this gold threading. I will link this in the description box, and this is a way to accentuate this style. It's just super simple, but it's another way to take it up and give it a different look for a different occasion. And again, I really like this. This is definitely a more free-flowing style. It's definitely for the bold. You guys know I love bold looks because I'm just so extra. Now for the last and final look, I am gathering all the hair upward and then bringing it to the direction of my forehead, and I want to really tighten the area just above the drawstring ponytail, and I'm going to pin it in place and then use a scrunchie for added security. And then I'm going to bobby pin the hair on both the right and left sides so that it has that structure and it stays put. And you know, it doesn't have to be super perfect. I'm just taking a little bit of mousse to help those curls pop and give added volume on the perimeter. And it's basically about draping the hair in a way that is complementary for your face shape. I love when the hair hits the center of my face. And I'm just using the Hergivenhair headband, kind of widening it out on the side so you can really see the pattern because I really love it. And then again, I'm going to add a few more bobby pins and get into this look with a bright bold lip or a brown lip color. So definitely let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite look out of all the styles shown. Definitely check out Hergivenhair. I love their selection of drawstring ponytails, clip-ins, and even all different types of wigs. So make sure you check them out, and everything will be listed in the description box. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, meet me in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the next one.